Hello, everybody. This is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. We're in the Celebrity Eclipse, leaving out of Amsterdam, June 2025, and we're staying in room 1235 on deck 10, and this is the Celebrity Suite. So let's go check it out. You do have your doorbell in case you got any visitors coming along. So. All right, as you go into the room, to your right, you're going to have your doorway to the bathroom. I'll show you that in a minute. You're going to have your temperature control here on the wall as well. So coming through, you got a full-length mirror, and that is also a long-hanging closet for you. So we have a closet out here in case you have somebody staying in the living room, because it does have the fold-out bed. Got some slippers down there. Have your desk. Being in Celebrity Suite, we do have the retreat on the ship, so we'll be going through those options too. So you got your little desk vanity here right outside of the bedroom. So of course it has its own separate bedroom. We'll go in here. Has a little window going to look out into the living room. Of course, you can't see because it's nice and frosted for the privacy. Nice king-size bed. You can have that split if you want to. You're going to have your end tables on both sides. You got your separate lamps. We go to check out the closet here. You know, a very large closet. Plenty of hanging space. Life vest's going to be there. Of course, you're going to have your robes, real comfortable robes. Safe will be in here. The dresser, a couple of umbrellas, and some binoculars for you as well as you're looking over the side of the ship. So, have your full-length mirror in the bedroom, and let's go take a look at the bathroom. Oh, and we do have a hidden closet right here with shelves. So let's go check out the bathroom. It's gonna be a regular bathroom, decent size for a ship, of course. Plenty of storage space below. You also have storage space up top. Have some glasses in there in the holder so they don't go banging around while you're on the cruise. Going to have a bathtub. And your shower, overhead shower head, as well as a wand. So plenty of options when you kind of want to bathe or shower here. All right, I'll go back out. This is the door that's by the front door. So I'm going to check out the living room area real quick. A nice large sectional, which I mentioned does have a hide bed in there. Our little guys are ready to go on this cruise. We've got some champagne from the crew. We'll be enjoying that a little bit later. Got your large screen TV. This room is set up with surround sound system with the Bose system. Down below you're going to have your mini fridge, which they had stocked with some water, some beers, and some Cokes there. Some more waters. Of course, you're going to have your additional shelves out here. A couple of wine glasses down below. Then the deck, very nice deck out, nice size out here. We got the table with the two chairs. We're also going to have the lounger out here on the side. A little ottoman could be whipped around to extend that if you wanted to. Looks like you've been taking a little beating. So again, we're in Amsterdam. Get ready to take a British Isles cruise. So this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. If you guys got any questions, please leave in the comments below. And please like and subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you. Safe travels.